Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is esgidiau, which means shoes. Esgidiau, as in esgidiau newydd, new shoes. Esgidiau, shoes.